Hey guys, today we are going to make a micro-SaaS with the help of Lovable and Anything. So I have made this workflow quite a bit time ago and posted on my YouTube, but now thinking to convert this workflow into my SaaS. So let's see how we can convert it into a micro-SaaS. So let's we go to Lovable. So now we are on Lovable. So let's start building. I will add my prompt here and go on Google and search for Budh UI. So I will say Budh UI screens, just this, and in images I will get something that will resonate with me. I guess I should take this one, or which one? No, this one is not good. Yeah, this might work. On we can good web UIs. Good verb as our head of the website. So we will use Bolu Zab UI and let's see what we get. Yeah, I want something like this. So I just drag it and go to Lovable and paste it here. So it will take a reference from here and let's generate. Now it is making it. It is asking for super base. So let's add our super base here. So for adding super base, we are going to go here and click on this super base icon where manage super base is become. You will click on connect super base and we have to connect with super base. So I will just in a second connect it with my super base. No. And you just need to authorize the variable, or if you don't have an account on Superbase, you just need to make an account. Nothing difficult. One now I have to connect to a project. I will click create project and with a name, let's say Insta Cloner, and type our and type a, or what I can do is not type this one, choose your own and will choose my previous one. So it will be says, and now I will go to here and create new project. And in seconds, we have our Superbase. We just need to integrate it in our lovable. So let's connect to a project in Start Loaner. And now Superbase is connected. Okay, so it's it to start running. So it start running. Your app is now connected to Superbase. Let's see what it gives us. You can work with a fully featured backend and add in powerful features. Okay, so we have to first add the Superbase account. Okay, new learning. Now, so we have to just copy this prompt again. So let's add our prompt and again add our UI photo. So we have chosen this UI. Let's add it and then now just hit, and now let's see how much good we can go. Let's see. So we have 10.3 credits left. Usually it's 5 credits. I have some bonus credit for 10 credits almost. So I can go with it. Now it is giving us, so it is generating Firebase database. So we have to just approve all the concepts and database up to Epson, and our app is just coming our way. Not yet. Let's see how much time it will take in building. Okay. So it started creating the authentication system. Let it build and I will continue from there. Okay. So our Insta cloner is built now. So let's see what we have right now. We'll click on email and I will add my email. So I just signed up and confirm my email and again signed in to our Insta cloner. And now we can see here our Instagram username, number of posts, and a go button. Okay. Let's say I will. Okay. So I have tried it to do hell a lot. A rare person. Mm, but it gives me static photos, any random 10 photos it gave me. Let's say I will try one more thing with one more view, and now it give me again. And if I click on bring with all posts, then let's see what will happen. It is just adding some random photos here, but yeah, we can't expect more than this for it is because we didn't connected our anything with lovable, but let's see how we can connect it. So I'm again going to anything now. So what we are going to do is we will add the webhook trigger, but I will not connect it with anything right now. I want to first check what webhook fields it is giving us. So I will place it here. Then I will click on webhook and switch to production URL, and I will check ABC and check my method, switch my method to post. I'm going to obviously change this webhook, but for this tutorial, let's go with it. Copy. I have copied the URL. Now we need production URL. So let's say I copied production URL, but for production URL, I have to make it active so it can work. So I'm making it active so we can get our results from the book. Now let's see it in our ad. So now here I will paste my prompt, and the prompt is the webhook, and I'm asking to it that send username to this webhook and the number of posts, and make a loading page till you don't get any data back from webhook. And when you receive number of posts, so then and make a good eye appealing dashboard in which number of images is written out of number of posts has sent, and then there's a check option to check and uncheck selected posts, and in the post that selected will use a clip on button to regenerate copy image JSON. So what we are doing is we are saying it to connect to a webhook, connect to our given URL webhook, and send the username and number of posts on it. And then we are saying, then take the output, and until the user is not selected his post manually, don't do anything, and after selection, run it on another webhook. So it simply means we have to add one more webhook and do some editing in our another flow, which is great. But let's try it here till now. So let's click and let's see what will happen. It is thinking. Here I check how many credits I have. I will use it into credits left. Let's see. So our app got modified and we can now test it. And remember, I know yet the UI is not good, but we can switch UI later. But first we need functionality. So I will again go to tell dot and let's say I will need 15 posts, and after it I will click on go. Okay, it is saying invalid response format from webhook. Let's see our webhook now. Now it's time to debug. Okay, so let's go. We are in execution. Let's go to execution and we have succeeded. But let's see what issue is here. As you can see, our webhook is triggered. Let's see what issue we got. Okay, we got username ll post sound 15. Great. It means it is working. The error it gives because it is not, it is giving the response back, but not the ideal response as we have set to it. So no worries, we have to fix it. So let's say we will now delete this open, and even we don't need sheet right now. We should either use Superbase or directly send it through JSON. Currently, let's send it through JSON. Later on, we can modify it on Superbase. Let's I connect it. And if I take last execution and copy it to editor, and then go to Instagram post. So here I am scraping Instagram. Here I am just scraping Instagram through Apify. If you want to dive deep in it, then check out my video that I have made on it. But now let's add username. So we are good with username, and result limit is the same. How many results we want, and we will cut it. And now we are good to go. So let's see now how much it will gonna work. So let's try again with the 15 post. Hit and go. It is still giving invalid response. Let's try once more. Okay, I got it. I got the issue. We are we are just responding it immediately. So it will respond back as it completes, but we have to go when last node finishes. And all entries, just we have to give this, and now we will get something, but it will still give error. Unsure, but okay. So now let's try. Go. Now it is at least running, fetching Instagram posts. Let's see how good it is to fetch our data. It's okay. Invalid response format from webhook. So I guess our course is completed. We just need our JSR. So let's see our previous execution, which is already succeeded. Let's see if here we got only 5 icons. Let's see what we will got. But we have written 15. Why annoying? But why? Let's see in schema. Okay. But we have got at least 5 items. We can now what we have to do is just copy it and go to our app, and now let's first paste it and let's train it like which fields to take and which fields do not need to take. So we will go with type. We need type as an age. Okay. Then we need sort code. No, we don't need sort code. We only need type as an age. Currently, we will only focus on its URL. I guess, yeah, display URL. We need display URL too because we need to display these photos. So we will look into it command. Okay, I guess I copied a lot bigger thing. But let's see. I will say check whether the system is check whether the post receipt JSON is the image or not by type colon image, and then and if this image, then use its display URL to show the photo, and this is the ideal JSON's type you will get. Okay, you will get. You can in last write this too and save all this to Superbase. So we are laying our foundation of Superbase 2. So now let's hit create and let's see what will happen. Meanwhile, let's check how much okay. So we have very few credits left, but we will complete it. We will complete this portion at least today. However, it will happen. Just approve it, and it is thinking. Okay, so it's thinking, and so it is editing. Okay, it edited word, but it is still editing. So let's wait a while. until it's added it completely. It is taking a bit time. Okay, so it is now completed and we are only with 1.6 free credits. Okay, so let's refresh it and run it again, and let's see how our hard work is work or hard work will pay us or not. So I will again let hell Elrod and let's take it to as its default 10 post and we will hit go, and let's see it will fetch the Instagram post or not. Oh no, let's see. Yeah, okay, it has taken it and make it. Now let's see it will display it or not because we can't see anything. Here we have check buttons. Great. Okay. But it is not showing display URL. So you should have to. No, it is not working. It's not working. So I will give my last command to Lovable as my credits are going to over for today. Hmm. Please fix it. I'm giving a very big prompt. Yes, Excel. Display URL. Yes, it's display URL as an image. Please fix the display URL as an image. So the image 2 of the display URL. Please fix display URL as an image, or we can thoroughly type. Please fix and show the image 2 of the display URL in app, or try with the URL, or try with URL. Either it will work on URL or display URL, or try with the URL. But please share the post. And we're hitting our laugh enter. So let's see. It is a very small task. It will be able to do it or not. Okay. It is reading everything, and we are almost good to go. Oh wow. Now it added the likes feature too in it. Still 1 or 7 or 2 likes. I guess I have added the wrong username, but anyways, let's try again. This time I will write it recipe. Let's see. I don't know the previous one is the right to username or not. Maybe I have make any typo. But let's see it will work or not. I guess it's gonna make tools that too. But let's see. Okay, it is giving us likes count ac- accurately. Okay, so we get 4 images out of 10, and it is saying 0 of 4 selected, but it is still not say showing the image. Okay, it is not showing the image. And if I select this image, it is SVG. So how to, okay, I'm going to play a last bet on 0.8 credits. Don't know whether it work or not. Okay. So, the image on app, it is still not showing to the image. Please, please. So the image on Apple, it is still not showing the image. Fetch the image and show it on the screen. And let's see it will work or not, because we have only 0.8 credits. Let's see now it will work or not. It is thinking. It is still editing it. Let's see what will happen. But meanwhile, I will only say that this maybe takes some days, might be 3 or 4, but I think it will be worth it as a Micro-SaaS and a good training for all of us. But don't worry, I will give all prompts, all resources to you, so you can easily replicate it. Just you have to, let's see, it will plan. Add a lightweight to this add function. Added add function. I think you should now see images load consistently. Let's see. I will again go to Jacity and click on go. Let's see what will we get. We will get four, 4 images, but let's see this time it is showing or not. And our credits are all gone. No worries. It can refill in some hours, but we need, yes, we did it. Okay, these are not so much good things to regenerate because it can easily be created, but we will go with something difficult, but not today as our credits are over, but we will start it, but we will continue it from tomorrow. And let's see tomorrow or how many days we can complete this Micro-SaaS. And I will, and as I said, I will give you all the resources. Don't worry. Just we need to first complete the app. Then I will give you all the templates and workflows. And one more thing that I am thinking, that how is it if I come up with more behind the scenes sessions like this and teach you how to really build a workflow, to Micro-SaaS journey. I think it will help all of you. But don't worry, we will go there too. You will make more Micro-SaaS apps, but first our priority is to complete InstaCloner. And as I said, I will give you all the sources. So yeah, if you are still watching, thank you. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me if you're still watching. So that is it for today, and we will meet tomorrow. Till then,